Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Download Quillbot keyboard from the App Store and open it once. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the keyboard and accept basic permissions. Next, open your device settings to enable the keyboard and allow full access if required. In keyboard settings, tap Keyboards, then add New Keyboard and choose Quillbot. Finally, set Quillbot as your default keyboard so it appears automatically when you type in apps. Type normally into any app using the Quillbot keyboard like you would with any keyboard. When you want to rewrite a sentence, select it and tap the paraphrase button on the keyboard. The keyboard generates alternative suggestions and presents them inline for quick replacement. You can tap a suggestion to replace the original text instantly. Use the on-keyboard controls to adjust tone or formality before accepting a suggestion. Explore advanced features to speed up your workflow and protect privacy. Use the Instant Translate feature to translate text across 25 or more languages directly from the keyboard. Enable clipboard history to access and paste up to 10 recent items without leaving your app. Create custom shortcuts to expand abbreviations into full phrases when typing. Review and adjust privacy settings and permissions in the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.